Forget expensive designers. Let's unlock stunning logos using free AI tools, just like Midjourney, but without the price tag. First, head over to Ideogram.ai. You'll need to create an account, but it's totally free. Just click sign up and follow the prompts. Now, the magic happens. In the prompt box, describe the logo you envision. Be specific. For example, try minimalist logo, tech startup, blue circle with a subtle gradient. Take inspiration from existing logos, but add your own creative twist. Once you've crafted your perfect prompt, hit that generate button and watch the AI work its magic. Ideogram will create for unique logo options based on your description. Browse through the results and choose the one that resonates most with your brand. You can download the logo in various sizes, so it's perfect for your website, social media, or even business cards. Want even more options? Explore other free AI logo generators like Brand Markio. While they might have some limitations on free plans, they offer excellent starting points for your logo design. Remember to play around with the customization options. Most tools allow you to tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to perfectly match your brand aesthetic. With a little experimentation, you can transform a simply generated design into a professional logo that truly represents your brand. So ditch the expensive design fees and unleash your inner creativity with these fantastic free AI tools.